Hello, my name is Julie Metz, and I am your son or daughter's physical education instructor for freshman PE. A little bit about me. I've been a teacher for over 30 years. I've been at LT for 29 years, and I'm really looking forward to learning with your son and daughters about all this remote education method that we are teaching. So far, everything's going pretty well with our classes. So I'd like to go ahead and show you a PowerPoint and give you some more specifics. The email you can contact me at is standard for all teachers. It's jmetz@lths.net. This is our mission statement. I'm sure you've been aware of this. With regards to physical education, our PE program enhances the physical fitness and social emotional wellness while providing a range of experiences for students to be active for life. We want to create and instill habits for your sons and daughters in order to take care of their bodies from now until adulthood. Remote learning. So we are in the remote learning curriculum right now, and we have the emphasis for physical education on personal fitness. We realize, and as you know, we realize many of our students are sitting for several hours in a day. So as I told your sons and daughters, I hope that they look forward to my class as a way to decrease their stress, as a way to take care of their bodies with regards to their personal fitness and with regard to getting a break from just sitting in front of the computer as they are with many of their other classes. So ours is going to be a very active class. So the personal fitness, after this week, I will have taken your son or daughter through 2 in-class workouts with me as a teacher leading. Yesterday and today and tomorrow's classes will be resistance training workouts. And then next week, I'm going to share with them some 15 to 20 minute videos in which they will get a choice on which video they want to work out with. So I'm planning on alternating that so they don't get bored with me. And so I teach them other avenues for working out remotely. Content. We do have a content portion of our curriculum as well. I have already taught in Unit 1 the components of fitness and the FIT principle. We also have another part in the freshman curriculum just this year. It is the social emotional learning curriculum, abbreviated SEL. It is by Yale, the Center for Emotional Intelligence, and we have a whole curriculum, and I've already started teaching them the content of SEL. The assignments. Your students already have been filling out fitness logs for all workouts. When we get deeper into our SEL lessons, social emotional learning, I'm going to ask them to do some reflections. And the reflections, social emotional learning is a lot of recognizing their feelings and how to manage their feelings. And we're going to do a lot of reflection pieces. And this will be in-class assignments as well. They submit them to me through Canvas. I try to have a lot of interaction, not only with me, but also with other students in the class. So interactions with me, I would have them communicate to me through a chat if I ask them a question. And then I do breakout rooms almost in every session. And that gives them an opportunity to meet other students in the class and have open dialogue with them, along with a directive that I give them, and they've got to work with the group in order to do the assignment in the breakout room. We will also have at the end of the unit a unit assessment. And the way I'm probably going to do it is probably have them do a avenue in Canvas where they have to answer some questions and they have to videotape themselves instead of giving them written text. So we're going to try that. Students have the opportunity to complete assignments in class and submit them on Canvas. This is an example of our grading. You can see the percentages over here, and I'm going to highlight the 50% one is objective 3, physical movement, engagement, and activity by observation, heart rate monitor assessments, self-reflections, and on engagement. So we're already rolling in this part. Their participation in Zoom, their active participation in Zoom with the breakout rooms, the chats, all that, and of course the workouts, and then the submission of the written assignments would then cover these other objectives. And that is also in Canvas. Canvas information, they will go to all my assignments in the modules. I've already taught them that. The Zoom links are on my home page in Canvas. It's a reoccurring link. And then you can also monitor your students' Canvas by their login information, or you create an observer account. Bottom line, my goal as an instructor teaching many years and raising my own children who have also gone through LT is PE is a time for your child to decrease the stress of remote learning. I, as their instructor, will help my students to understand the importance of taking care of themselves each and every day. Parents, if you could please help to encourage when they're not with me on Zoom, anytime that they are away from the computer, physical activity, getting away from that computer, healthy eating, and stress management. And again, if you have any questions, feel free to contact me via email. That would be the best way. Thank you for listening, and I'm looking forward to having a nice semester with this remote learning. Thank you.